So this is how you can secretly read Instagram messages without it saying seen. So what you're gonna want to do is open up your Instagram and then simply go to your messages. Now you're gonna go to the account that you want to see, but before you do, scroll down to your panel and then open up airplane mode. This should prevent any kind of network coming into your device and it's going to stop it from showing as seen. So you can open up a chat and it's not going to say seen. But there is one flaw to this hack. Once you turn back your airplane mode off, it's going to show as seen. So yeah, that's the only bad thing about this. Don't worry though, there is a second method where you just have to go to their profile, tap on view profile, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then tap on restrict. Tap on restrict at the bottom once again, and you should have successfully restricted this account. Now it's not going to show in our primary list, but it's going to show in our requests. As you can see, he showed for a bit, but I think he's gone because the messages have been there for quite a while. So it'll only work if you haven't seen the message yet. So yeah, you're basically gonna want to restrict them and then see their message in requests. This won't show you as seen, but you'll be able to see it without notifying them. Once you're done, you can actually just unrestrict them and you can go back to replying. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.